Are you ready to dive into the lucrative world of email marketing? In this video, we'll show you how to start and scale your very own email marketing business. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your business to the next level, this step-by-step guide is for you. Step 1. Understand what email marketing is all about. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach and engage your audience. With a well-crafted email strategy, you can build strong relationships, drive sales, and create a loyal customer base. Start by researching the basics. Learn about email list building, segmentation, automation, and analytics. Step 2. Choose a niche for your email marketing business. Specializing in a particular industry or audience will help you stand out and attract clients who need your expertise. Are you passionate about e-commerce, health and wellness, or B2B services? Pick a niche where you can offer valuable insights and targeted strategies. Step 3. Build your email list. Your email list is the lifeblood of your business. Start by creating lead magnets. Free resources like ebooks, checklists, or webinars that entice people to sign up. Use sign-up forms on your website, social media, and landing pages. Remember to comply with GDPR and other email regulations to ensure your list is clean and compliant. Step 4. Craft compelling content. Your emails should resonate with your audience. Focus on writing engaging subject lines, persuasive body copy, and incorporating visuals that grab attention. Don't forget to personalize your emails. People love content that speaks directly to them. Use segmentation to target specific groups within your list with relevant content. Step 5. Automate and optimize your campaigns. Automation is key to scaling your business. Set up workflows for welcome sequences, follow-ups, and re-engagement campaigns. Use A/B testing to optimize subject lines, content, and send times. Analyze your results regularly to see what's working and where you can improve. The more you refine your approach, the better your results will be. Step 6. Scale your business. As you grow, consider hiring additional team members, outsourcing tasks, or investing in advanced tools to handle more clients. Focus on delivering results for your clients and asking for testimonials and referrals. This will help you attract bigger clients and increase your revenue. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting and scaling an email marketing business. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business and achieving success. Ready to get started? Let's make your email marketing business a reality. Text on screen. Subscribe now. Like, comment, music fades out.